Hello, this is the screencast for Virgil's Aeneid, Book 4, lines 271 through 286. This is the part where Mercury comes down and talks to Aeneas and reminds him of his duty to the future of Rome. So let's get into the text. So I've broken up the text on pretty much every slide just to make it easier to translate and piece together what Virgil has here for us. So because I've done that, I've included the actual Latin straight from the Aeneid in the bottom right hand corner of pretty much every slide. So yeah, let's get into it. So we have quid struis aut qua spe libicis terris otia terris si te nulla movet tantarum gloria rerum, nec super ipsa tua molaris laude laborem. So Mercury is talking to Aeneas here. He says, quid struis, what are you building? Or what hope do you waste your leisure in Libyan lands? See, if no glory of such things, of such great things, moves you, nor do you undertake labor in your own praise. And then this thought is going to continue on, but really quickly here, these brackets, people believe that this was actually just a line that was reproduced by some sort of copyist that wasn't paying super close attention to detail, because this line is, I guess I should be going down here, this line is virtually identical to line 233 in book 4, and the brackets are used here by editors to indicate that none of the major primary manuscripts contains this line. So just a quick note there, but continuing this thought, we go to the next slide. Ascanium surgentet space heredis Iuli respice cui regnum Italia Romanaque telus debitur. So we have here respice, look. Look at the rising, that PAP, look at the rising Ascanius and the hope of the heir Iulus. And this is just kind of saying like the hopes you have for Iulus. And then cui, to whom the kingdom of Italy and the Roman land is owed. Tali Caelinius ore locutus mortalis visus medio sermone reliquit et procul in tenuex oculis evanuit aurum. Caelinius, or Mercury, having spoken from such a mouth, he left the mortal sight in the middle of the conversation and vanished from afar into the thin air from the eyes. A tuero Aeneas aspectu ab mutuit amens, erectaque horre comiat vox falcibus haesit, ardet abire fuga dulcisque relinquere terras, attonitus tanto monitu imperioque deorum. At Aeneas, but Aeneas became silent, or stood speechless, frenzied because of the sight, or by sight. and komai, and his hair was stood up, or erected on end, or raised on end, by horror, and his voice stuck in his throat. He desired to go by flight and to leave the sweet lands. Uh, Astonished, or like having been astonished by such a great warning and command by the gods. Heu quid agat, quo nunc reginambire ferentem audeat ad fatu, quae prima exordia sumat, at quanimium nunc huc celerem nunc dividit illuc in partisque rapit varias perque omnia versat. Heu, alas, what should he do? Where now he dare approach the raging queen with speech, or with speaking? What first beginnings should he take up? He divides his mind, or his celerum animum. He divides his speedy mind, now here, now there, and he seized his mind, back here, this should have been, he divided. So he divided his speedy mind, now here, now there. He seized his mind, and he seized his mind into various parts, and through everything he turned. So Aeneas doesn't know what to do. These questions up here vividly represent Aeneas's confusion. And then this dividit animum celerem. This image is very Homeric, because heroes in doubt are often described by Homer as splitting their thoughts as they debate alternatives. So Aeneas is going to have to confront Dido, but that's another screencast for you to watch. I hope you enjoyed this. This was Aeneid, Book 4, lines 271 through 286. Thanks for tuning in. Bang Bang Style.